My favorite activity would have to be Deep Cove Kayaking because I think that it really pushes a lot of the kids to do something that they haven't done before. And I think that it's pretty much a unique experience for anyone that's doing it to kind of challenge yourself physically, and if anyone hasn't spent a lot of time near the ocean, it would be a bit of a new experience there too. And I think that it's great just to be out on the water and you get to see some wildlife with the seals, so that's a great opportunity as well. I've always felt that the kids respond to the activity really well. I find that in circumstances where the kids are really tired on the bus, maybe sleeping on the way over, they really perk up at the chance of kind of commanding their own boat and working well with the other kids in the rafting activity where they have to all get all their boats together. So I think that that's really neat to kind of encourage the team building parts of the camp, and also giving them kind of a leadership role by letting them kind of commandeer a kayak by themselves. So I think that it's a neat opportunity for the kids.
And make sure you have a whistle on it when you're putting it on too. First, you're gonna get super ticky even when you're out up on the.
We're just gonna spin you guys around. Everybody needs to be holding on tight right now.
So paddle out into Deep Cove and sort of almost into the Indian Arm, and they tell us about the history of Deep Cove and Vancouver, and kids get to learn how to paddle and sort of splash each other if they want and just have a great time.